Let me tell you a little bit about our mama. She's the hardest working woman we know. She loves us and she's always taking care of us and been there for us. She is a great example of what unconditional love is. And we came up on the opportunity and the privilege to be able to surprise her with a new car. And that's exactly what we did today. We wanted her to know that we appreciate her for everything that she's done and for what she still does, because till this day, she still is just as supportive as she was with us as adults as she was when we were children.
Huh? Look, that's a Ma. Huh? Look, that's a surprise for you. That's for you. That's for you, Mama. No, y'all didn't. Ma, come back this way. What? She don't even know what it Follow the red brick road. Follow the yellow brick road, Mom. Oh, Emma, you look fabulous.
This woman deserves every bit of excitement that was wrapped into this moment. All of the overwhelming feelings of being appreciated, loved, and most of all, she's a good woman, a good grandmother, an excellent mother. She deserves nice things. She deserves moments of joy just like this. She constantly pours into her grandchildren and her children nonstop, and she completely deserves all of the luxuries of life. And we're glad that we got the opportunity to let her know that we not only love her, we appreciate her, we adore her, and that we can't wait to continue showering her with love and gratitude. Mama, we just want you to know that your children adore you, we love you, we appreciate you for everything that you've done and that you're still doing in our lives.